Okay, for example 3, it wants us to evaluate the sine and cosine for the angle 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2. This is something you need to be able to do from memory, so this is how you should approach it. From the unit circle, I know 0 is here, pi over 2 is here, pi, and 3 pi over 2. What we do is assign an ordered pair. This ordered pair would be 1, 0. This ordered pair would be 0, 1. Pi would be -1, 0. And 3 pi over 2 would be 0, -1, and give them an x and a y. Okay? Since we are exactly 1 unit away in all these directions, r is going to equal 1 for every angle, because we're 1 unit away. We're a circle with a radius r of 1. So now I just find sine and cosine for everything. The sine of 0, which is y over r, well, y is 0, 0, 1, so the sine of 0 is 0. The sine of pi over 2, again, y over r. The y value is 1, so that's 1 over 1, so the sine of pi over 2 is 1. The sine of pi, again, is y over r. Y is 0 over 1, so the sine of pi is 0. And the sine of 3 pi over 2, again, y over r, is going to be y is -1 over 1, which is -1. So there's the sine values of all three of those things. We'll find the cosine value now. The cosine of 0 is x over r. X is 1 over 1, so the cosine of 0 is 1. The cosine of pi over 2 being x over r again, the x is 0, so 0 over 1, which is 0. The cosine of pi, x is -1, so -1 over 1, which gives us -1. And then the cosine of 3 pi over 2, x is 0, 0 over 1 again is 0. And there's how we evaluate those things. Number 39 says to find the secant of pi. See if you can evaluate the secant of pi, come back, see if you got the right answer. Okay, the secant of pi should be -1. Okay? We know that the secant of pi is defined as r over x. So pi is right here. The x value, the r value is 1. The x value is -1. 1 divided by -1 is -1. And that's how we get the secant of pi. Again, you should be able to draw this and do any of these from memory.